Singapore alone, unattended cooking remains the second biggest component of residential fires. The cause of such incidents is pure ignorance.
Gentleman takes the snap, he passes it, he presents it, and it looks like the 50 is called the West. That's the 40, the 30, the 20, the 10, oh, and he's tackled at the 5-yard line. We have time for a quick commercial.
On fire to show us what not, but not when it comes to a grease fire. Just watch what happens when John throws a
way to extinguish a small pan fire is by removing the oxygen.
Which means that the gas coming off the oil is able
Not all fires put out with water.
Water is bad because as soon as it hits the oil, it turns to steam, which expands. This also causes the vapor to expand. And whatever you do, don't throw water over the fire.
Do not do this at home. Do not do this anywhere. This is why. Carefully put a lid on the pan and turn off the heat.
Don't try and move the pan. Many people get burns or start fires elsewhere.
First, put on an oven mitt. Next, grab the lid that fits the pan and smother the flames with it. Carefully slide the lid over the pan to cut off the oxygen. Then, turn off the burner to stop adding heat.
Seal the lid. Perfect.
All right.
Perfect. Now that's the proper method to actually extinguish a stovetop fire. Good job, Russell.
Place the lid on the pan by approaching from an angle. Turn the stove off.
Don't remove it. Watch what happens when John does just that.
We did a demonstration of this morning. You'd put on oven mitts, you'd grab the lid, or in this case a cookie sheet, and slide the lid right over the pan. And you want to keep the lid in place because if you open it up again, air...
Put it all places. Oh, it's very effective. Once again, it's the same method of starving the fire of oxygen and it needs fire to sustain itself. So to seek in the flames away, protecting yourself, just like that.
1. Turn off the heat. 2. Run a cloth under a tap and wring it out. 3. Cover the pan and then wait until it's cooled right.
Now these details have to be wet. You need to wring out the excess water and then when they're damp, over your hands like that, so you're protecting your hands, protecting yourself, and the same method once again, deflecting the flame away from yourself.
Again, the fire becomes more intense. It's a dry chemical fire extinguisher. You can see here how it puts out the flames in a matter of seconds.
Fire extinguishers. We got the same type of stovetop fire. We got a fire. Squeeze and sweep. Go ahead.
If you have a cooking fat fire, grab the tabs on your fire blanket and spread it out completely, protecting your hands and face. Don't throw the blanket onto the fire as it may spread it to the floor. Place it over the pot like this, turn off the heat and leave